This 5-minute solution will show you how to screenshot on Windows computer. So if you're in your computer and wondering how to take screenshot, it's super easy to take a screenshot. Follow these simple steps. Click on this search icon and type here snipping and open snipping tool. Click on new. Now select the area you want to take a screenshot, and now you can select this pane to draw something. To save the screenshot, click on save. You can change the name and select a folder to save the snip. Click on save. And this is how we can take screenshot on Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.